2005, both of her sons, Denim and Diezel Braxton-Lewis, reached major milestones by graduating college. Denim earned his degree in sports management from Grand Canyon University, while Diezel walked the stage at Howard University. The iconic singer celebrated both achievements with grace, glam, and family by her side.
Diezel Braxton.
In this video, we take you inside the emotional and stylish moments from both graduations, including Toni's stunning lace outfit that had social media buzzing. From proud family photos to heartwarming messages, this is a celebration of Black excellence, education, and motherhood.